Okay, welcome to my channel Sudhir Biology. Today we study principle of inheritance and variation, that is chapter number 5, class 12. Here example of hemophilia. Now here is example of hemophilia. In this disease, a single protein that is a part of the cascade of proteins involved in the clotting of blood is affected due to this in an affected individual, and a single cut will result in non-stop bleeding. It is sex-linked disease. This is the important character. This is sex-linked recessive disease, right? Sex-linked recessive disease. This disease is transmitted from unaffected carrier female to some of the male progeny. Female becoming hemophilic is extremely rare because mother of such female, at least carrier, and father should be hemophilic. Then it can be sufferer. Otherwise they are carrier. Affected transmitted the disease only to the son, not to the daughter. Daughter can receive the disease from both mother and father. Now we can here perform a Punnett square. Two different situations. This disease, hemophilic disease, genes of hemophilic disease is present on the X chromosome. Suppose this is the female, so XX normal age. This is the male, X and Y, means normal parent and carrier female. Then what happen? XX and H, XY, right? XH and Y. H for hemophilic gene. You can see this male offspring is affected. This is diseased. This female is carrier. It is not diseased because it is recessive disease. Once more again another situation. Here you can see father is affected, XH and Y, and mother is carrier, XX and XH, right? So XH, here XH, XH, XY, XY. In this case, male is affected and female is carrier. Then you can see this is the normal son, this is the affected son, this is the female is affected, diseased, and this female is carrier, right? Such type of recessive sex-linked disease can be carried from one generation to next generation. Now this is sickle cell anemia. I already told you Punnett square. This disease, the affected is caused due to substitution of glutamic acid by the valine at the 6th position of beta globulin chain of the hemoglobin. In case of hemoglobin, there is a chain of hemoglobin on the 6th position of the substitution takes place. Glutamic acid is substituted by valine by the mutational chain. Substitution of amino acid takes place due to the single base substitution at the 6th codon of the beta globulin protein, right? GAG to GUG, these are codons. The mutant hemoglobin molecule undergoes polymerization under low oxygen tension, causing the change in the shape of RBC from biconcave to elongated sickle cell. These are sickle shape, these are normal RBCs. Transmission from parents to offspring when both the parents are carrier to the gene heterozygous, right? If both parents are carrier, then offspring are affected by the sickle cell anemia. The disease is controlled by a single pair of allele, that is HBA and HBS. HBS is a diseased. There are three possible genotype, either HBA or HBS or HBS. This is the carrier and this is the affected and this is the normal, right? Only homozygous individuals for the HBS show the disease. Any both genes are affected, then person is affected by the such disease, otherwise it is carrier. Heterozygous HBS individual appear apparently unaffected, right? Unaffected means disease does not take place, but they have genes, that's why they are carrier. They are carrier of the disease. There is a percentage probability of transmission of the mutant genes to the progeny in the sickle cell anemia. 50% when carrier, then 50% they are progeny, they are possible to carry affected. Phenylketonuria, already something desired. This is also autosomal recessive traits, and the disease is inborn error metabolism, means this disease substitution by mutational changes during the embryonic development. The affected individual lack one enzyme called as phenylalanine hydroxylase. Name of the enzyme? Phenylalanine hydroxylase enzyme. This enzyme converts the amino acid into phenylalanine to tyrosine, right? Amino acid क्या है? Phenylalanine. It can be transferred into the tyrosine with the help of enzyme phenylalanine hydroxylase, right? Due to the absence of this enzyme, in the absence of enzyme, phenylalanine accumulated. पहली बात क्या है? It is not converted into tyrosine, and it can accumulated and converted into phenylpyruvic acid. That means it accumulate in the form of acid and other derivatives. Accumulation of these results in the mental retardation. These derivatives excreted through kidney के through they are excreted. Now chromosomal disorder. How they are takes place? Let us understand. Suppose there are diploid cell. It have 2 chromosomes, right? Now we can say 4 chromosomes, 2 pair, right? But during gamete formation, each cell contains 2 chromosomes. That means chromosome become half. Suppose the division is unequal. One cell is containing 3 chromosomes and one cell is containing 1 chromosome. Now by this unequal division at the time of meiosis, resulting chromosomal disorder, right? How this it takes place? Either at the time of metaphase stage, division of chromosome, or due to the non-formation of crossball. Suppose division takes place and this crossball does not form, then this cell contain all 4 chromosomes in each gamete. Even it is gamete. When it fuse with this, then it change into 6 chromosomes, right? The causes due to absence or excess of abnormal arrangement of 1 or more chromosome. That's why like this arrangement, either 1 or more chromosome. Failure or segregation of chromatid during the cell division result in the gain or loss of chromosome, which is called as aneuploidy. Failure of cytokinesis after the telophase stage of the cell division result in the increase in whole set of the chromosome is an organism, and the phenomena is called as polyploidy. Either 1 chromosome increase or decrease, then it is called as aneuploidy. Whole set of chromosome is increase or decrease, then it is called as polyploidy. And trisomy is additional copy of chromosome, may be included in an individual. Any 2n plus 1 diploid plus 1, then it is called as trisomy. Monosomy 2n minus 1 is called as monosomic, means less 1 chromosome than the diploid. Here are some examples of chromosomal disorder. This is the Down syndrome. In this case, causes due to presence of additional copy of the chromosome number 21 tyrosome, that is called as tyrosomy. One additional chromosome at the 21st pair of the chromosome, right? Then this disease Down syndrome is called as 1 extra chromosome. This disorder was first described by Langdon Down 1866. Short characteristics of these: short stature with a small rounded head, very small rounded head, furrow tongue, partially opened mouth, palm is broad with characteristic palm crease. Physical, psychomotor, and mental development is retarded. They are physically slightly weak, retarded, and mentally also retarded. One more: Klinefelter syndrome and Turner syndrome. Klinefelter and Turner syndrome. Klinefelter and Turner syndrome. As you Klinefelter syndrome causes due to the presence of an additional copy of chromosome. That means 46 chromosome, right? 2n plus 1. Overall masculine development, they are overall masculine. Also developed feminine character development of breast, which is called as gynecomastia. What is gynecomastia? When breasts are developed in males, then it is called as gynecomastia. Individuals are sterile, they are not fertile. Turner syndrome causes due to absence of one X chromosome, that is 44 plus 1, that is total 45. You can see these are autosome, these are sex chromosome X plus 0. Then such females are sterile as ovary are rudimentally lack of other secondary sexual character, that is called as Turner syndrome. That's all today. Thank you for watching video.